Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Monero token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Monero is a decentralized open source cryptocurrency designed from the ground up to provide strong financial privacy and censorship resistance for all transactions. Privacy by default. Every transaction automatically hides the sender, recipients, and amount, unlike transparent ledgers like Bitcoins. Good on advanced cryptography. Technologies like ring signatures, slit addresses, and ring city work together to ensure untraceability and fungibility. Community driven and decentralized. The project operates without a central authority, funded by developed by a global open source community. Monero project institution rating is 4.4. Monero token total supply is 18.78 million and circulating supply is also 18.78 million XMR token. XMR token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.